All around our world, from manufacturing to transport, today's dynamic commercial industries demand high-performance lubricants, expertly engineered to their needs. Lubrex is at the leading edge in lubrication technology, with high-performance lubricant products developed and optimized to deliver exceptional performance and value. Always exceeding customer expectations, we have provided effective solutions for even the most challenging lubrication problems for industries in over 70 countries for more than 4 decades. Throughout our journey, we have forged an unrivaled reputation for efficiency and total reliability. And Lubrex has become one of the foremost brands of automotive lubricants in 5 continents. Our API-approved products cover a wide range of markets with proven performance and customer satisfaction. And our OEM approvals including BMW, Mercedes Benz, Volvo, Renault, Mack, and MAN trucks. With our extensive knowledge and resources, our expert team of liquid engineers are able to develop market-leading products in lubricants. In our state-of-the-art laboratory, we constantly research and develop solutions to meet our customers' toughest requirements and to continuously expand our product range in all major categories. But our strength is not only our technical capabilities. It is also our personal approach to business. We get to know our customers, to understand their needs and the challenges they face, and provide ongoing support irrespective of the industry or operational sector. Our mission is to provide high-quality products to meet customer needs and conduct business in a transparent, trustworthy, and safe manner through teamwork, integrity, and innovation. Our vision is to strive to be a world-class company in the provision of high-quality lubricants and services globally, and to continually improve on products and customer satisfaction.